Welcome to the quick installation guide for laser welding machines. We hope this video can help you quickly learn the operation of laser welding machines. Instructions for random accessories. Cleaning cotton swab, cleaning protective lenses. Remote cleaning kit, switch to remote cleaning mode for use. Welding nozzle selected according to the diameter of the welding wire during laser welding. Connection cable used for computer monitoring of laser status. Protect the lens to prevent damage to the focusing lens. Double wire feeding kit used when using double wire feeding. Adding water to the chiller. Open the front chassis door, loosen the water inlet of the chiller counterclockwise, and introduce purified water. It is recommended to use purified water, deionized water, and other high-purity water. Fill the water level to the green area. Fill the water level to the red area indicated by the arrow. Connecting the power supply. Find the power cord of the device. Red represents the live wire, blue represents the neutral wire, and yellow represents the PE. Use a 220 V single-phase voltage. Open the circuit breaker. Release the emergency stop switch. Turn on the main switch, chiller switch, and laser switch in sequence, and check if the power supply is normal. 3. Welding component installation. Firstly, install the wire feeding tube of the wire feeder. Install both ends of the wire feeding tube onto the wire feeder and tighten them with screws. Open the left and right doors of the wire feeder. Thread the wire feed tube from below the operation panel. Fix with screws. Right screw fixation. Loosen the wire feed wheel counterclockwise and select the size of the wire feed wheel based on the diameter of the welding wire. For 1.2 毫米 welding wire, use a 1.2 伏 wire feed wheel. Next, start installing the wire feed tray. Loosen the 2 red wire feed pressure rods, thread the welding wire in, and press it tightly. Start installing the left welding wire tray. Find the power cord of the wire feeder. Find the power input port of the wire feeder and connect the power supply. The wire feeding tube should be flat and not bent. Adjust the wire feeding speed through the operation panel and the knob to increase the speed. Click on manual wire feeding. The wire feeder motor starts running, and the welding wire starts to be automatically fed out. Welding wire successfully sent out. Find the dual wire feeding component. It can be observed that there are 4 screws on both sides. Use 2 hexagonal wrenches to loosen the screws. After installing the wire feed pipe, tighten the screws. Find the wire guide nozzle for installation. Pay attention to the diameter of the welding wire and choose different sizes of wire guide nozzles. The installation of the wire feeding tube is completed. 4. Installation of laser welding gun. Install the welding copper nozzle onto the focal length tube of the laser welding gun and select the welding copper nozzle based on the diameter of the welding wire. Then adjust the focus tube of our laser. The best focus is plus or minus 2 毫米 of 0. The installation of the laser welding gun is completed. Finally, install the wire feeding tube and fix the wire feeding component through the installation hole of the laser welding gun. Finally, adjust the length of wire feed assembly. Install the safety lock onto the workpiece we weld for conduction. 5. Welding display. Remote cleaning function. Open the settings page, select the remote cleaning function, and choose the appropriate cleaning width and power according to the material size. Use a hexagonal wrench to loosen the 4 screws of the connecting plate. Open the cleaning kit box and install the cleaning head. Next, replace the focusing lens and loosen the 2 screws of the focusing lens box. Install a focusing lens with a standard configuration of 600 focusing lenses. After the installation of the focusing mirror is completed, fix the 2 small screws securely. Press the trigger to start emitting light. Weld cleaning function. Select the weld cleaning function on the settings page and modify appropriate process parameters. Install the cleaning scale tube. Press the trigger to start emitting light. 8. Cutting function. Select cutting function on the settings page and select appropriate process parameters based on material thickness. Install the scale tube and cutting nozzle. Press the trigger to emit light and start cutting.